Okay, so this is number 58 in the first packet. It's the racetrack question. So it says the go-kart race has a track with 2 straight line segments and 2 semicircles. The radius of each semicircle is 3 miles, and the length of the straight line segments are 7 miles each. What is the shortest possible distance to the nearest 0.1 mile of the whole race on the track? And we have our possible answers right here. So let's look back at this picture here. So here you have 2 straight lines. This is one, that's 7 miles, and this straight line right here is 7 miles. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna write 2 straight lines, and those 2 straight lines are 7 miles plus another 7 miles. So both of those are going to give me 14 miles. Okay? Now, since we did the 2 straight lines up here and here, now we have this semicircle, the 2 semicircles, which makes a whole circle. Anytime you're trying to find the length of the outside of a circle, it's called the circumference. The circumference, and the formula is going to be 2 pi times radius. And I want to let you know pi is always equal to 3.14, okay? Now all we have to do is plug our radiuses in here, and it already told us the radius of each semicircle is 3 miles. So our radius, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the 2, the pi is 3.14, and the radius is 3, okay? So when you multiply all of this, it's going to give you 18.84, okay? So now what we're gonna do here, the final step is, we're gonna add the 2 straight lines, that's what SL stands for, 2 straight lines, plus the circumference, and that's gonna give us the total length, or the shortest distance possible, okay? So now the 2 straight lines were 14 miles. The circumference was 18.84, okay? Now when we add both of those up, we will get 32.84. And they said they wanted it to the 0.1, so only one number after the decimal, so that's to the 10th. So when we round it off to the 10th, we're looking at the 8, we look over, the 4 is less than 5, so the 8's gonna stay the same, and you can see your answer right here, which is 32.8. 32.8, okay? And there you have it.